New recipe today.
Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be slightly different than my usual London diaries because I am a little bit under the weather. I have been sick 3 times in like the last month. It's ridiculous, but since I'm going to be at home all day and just kind of having a chill day, I wanted to show you guys what I eat in a day because I have a fridge full of food, and I feel like I've really grown a lot as a cook here in London, and I think a lot of you guys have noticed that because I love reading your comments about how you're liking the food content, and a lot of you guys have requested more food content, so this video is actually perfect. I'm going to cook a lot of great meals today, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me on this what I eat in a day in my apartment. So for breakfast, I'm starting off with some banana, oat, cinnamon pancakes. I've never done this recipe before. I'm just making it up as I go, and I'll probably just eyeball the ingredients. And I have my German class in a little bit, so I have to hurry, but I'm really excited, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Is it good?
Also ich halte mein Bärchen.
Can you bring me my camera?
Und Kathi, wie ist das für dich?
Ich mag E-Mails mehr als Telefon. Ja, es ist mehr einfach, und ja, ich bin auch nervös am Telefon. Ist die E-Mail formell oder informell? Es ist formell.
So my brunch of the day today is this burrata and bruschetta toast. I just made 2 of these because I had the ingredients and I really love this combination. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my delicious little snack. Mmm. Okay, so I just finished cooking and today I cooked with paneer for the very first time. So this is a paneer dal. It's my first time making this recipe, so I hope it's good. I'm sure I did some things wrong. I don't know how to make naan bread yet, so we just have a side of puff pastry, but yeah, I'm so excited about this and yeah, let's dig in. Let's see. Mmm. Oh, I love that.
It's like halloumi?
Yeah, it's like halloumi. It's like what we had in the restaurant the other day. I really like this. It's like super hearty and comforting, you know? And the sauce is like so yummy.
I want more.
Yay. It's really good with the green onion on top.
내가 만난 날은 뭐 찐따라고 뭐 잘생기고 부자 남친 어디 있는데 구경 좀 해요. 왜 있잖아. 가짜지만 강태군. 어? 아니 막.
If we prepare actually for Thursday.
Try your best. You did it too big. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It's good with the rucola. Love it. You will also include too much for sure.
Making a little bit of a smaller wrap. All right. Mmm. Mmm.
It's really super good.
I really like how cheesy the sauce is. Discovered a new recipe today.